Good day. This has something to do with our topic for this morning, which is about fundamental counting principle. Class, remember this. Fundamental counting principle may involve problems about choices in a test, choosing a set of meal, combinations of number, password combinations, awarding of winners, combinations of letters. Now, let's consider this exploratory problem. You are at Jollibee cafeteria that allows you to choose a lunch meal from a set menu. You have two choices for a main course, a chicken rice meal or spaghetti. Two choices of beverage, Coke or Sprite, and two choices of dessert, pie or ice cream. How many different meal combos can you select? Let us try to look for the hint in this problem. Let us consider the number of choices. You have two choices main course, chicken rice meal or spaghetti, two choices of beverage, Coke or Sprite, and two choices of dessert, pie or ice cream. Okay, in method 1, we use tree diagram. In, in tree diagram, we have main course, beverage, dessert, and lunch combo, and the possible combination of meals. The first lunch combo meal is chicken rice meal, Coke, and pie. Next is chicken rice meal, Coke, and ice cream. Third, chicken rice meal, Sprite, pie. Next, chicken rice meal, Sprite, ice cream. And then next main course, spaghetti, Coke, pie. Spaghetti, Coke, ice cream. Spaghetti, Sprite, pie. And the last, spaghetti, Sprite, ice cream. Now, to determine the number of possible outcome, we are going to count the possible combination of meals. We have 8 possible combinations of meal. Now, we cannot use tree diagram in all instances. That's why we still have another method. This is called multiplying the numbers of choices. In method 2, multiplying the number of choices, let us consider the same problem. Again, we have main course, beverage, and dessert. As I can notice, in method 2, we will determine the product of the number of choices. We have main course, beverage, and dessert. And the product of each. The main course, we have 2, and beverage 2, and dessert 2. If we multiply 2 times 2 times 2, there are 8 possible combination of meal. The same of tree diagram. Same answer. Okay, answer me. What is fundamental counting principle? Fundamental counting principle states that we can find the total number of ways that two or more separate tasks can happen by multiplying the number of ways each task can happen separately. Based from the definition, simplify. Simplify, we're just going to multiplying the number of choices. Let's proceed with the last example. Sipnayan Cafe serves 2 dessert, a cake, and pie. They are also served 3 beverage, coffee, tea, and juice. Suppose you choose 1 dessert and 1 beverage. How many possible outcomes are there? Okay, the same. We there are there are 2 dessert, cake, and pie, and also 3 beverage, coffee, tea, and juice. We use multiplying the number of choices. In dessert and beverage, we have 2 dessert and 3 beverage. If we multiply, is equal to 6. There are 6 possible combination. And that's all. Thank you. And sana may natutunan kayo.